So let's stop by greeting Ashok, our champion, who has come to this class having passed his theory. Congratulations, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Good job.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Congratulations. Good job.
I'll stop everybody. Hold on. Now, Ashok, where are you? Speak up, Ashok. All the mics are on. Ashok, where are you? Hi, Ashok. I'm waiting. I'm muted. Why are people unmuting? Okay. No, and now I see you. Okay, Ashok. Only you put the mic on. How are you feeling, my champion?
Yeah, thanks to everyone for wishing me. And special thanks to Mr. Ambrish because of your notes and your class are very help me to get a theory exam to pass. Actually,
where had you heard for the first time? I told my students that everybody that Ashok is not a very outspoken person. He's taken up courage to come and say to inspire us, which is very good.
Just I make a notes for your class and every day I repeated your notes and just I go to exam then I will pass it. Later and also your notes my efforts I have achieved my Patente B theory exam. And also I am waiting for these movements actually step ahead to different view in my daily life because here I am staying very small town, so I cannot join every day. I cannot possible to join, so just I join only theory like this one
practical
like not for theory classes, just for SCADAs only. Exercises. Just exercises.
Yeah, where did you hear about this school, Ambrish Quick Patente?
Sorry?
When you first came to join us, where did you
actually we make a we joined with 5 members like Gada Rakesh and Purna Srikanth and Siva Chagadi. We are all gathered together.
But all of them passed, right?
Yes, all of them passed.
I am the last one from that gang. Okay, all the friends passed. He was the last one remaining.
Yeah, I am last one. Everyone to pass here in my team.
Well good, well done. Now you have
God Rakesh is motivated a lot to me.
To come and join.
Yeah, maybe he will be in class or not. I don't know exactly.
Rakesh, if you're in the class, speak up. No, Rakesh not in the class. Otherwise,
not in the, I don't know.
No problem.
Yeah.
You've made us very, very happy that you showed us in a very quite some time. Now you can tell all your friends that you passed.
Yeah, I'll just say everyone. Even I got a very simple, not a difficult this exam.
And you got a very this was not very today. This morning exam was not difficult.
Yeah. So I got easy. Even you make some notes like a concentrito modificare. I got like that question. I remembered you when I write that exam.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy for you. Well done, Ashok.
Sorry?
I said I'm well done.
Yeah, thank you so much, and all the best to everyone. And you also get a easy to exam and your notes and helps to your exams. And
all right, Ashok, thanks a lot very much. Very kind of you. And now that you delivered your promise, when you go for your practical test now, exactly 4 days before, call me and I will tell you what you need to do to pass in the first try, even the practical test. Though that was not my promise in the beginning. Okay.
Yeah, sure. When I will be free and I will join this class again.
Okay. Okay. All right. This is home. Take care. I'm
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Take care. God
bless.
Bye.
Bye.